makakawala itong Raynor Shine.
Oh, with the fight.
What a pass! Nokum tumanaytay. Oh, but a scary, scary spill. Nokum clutching on his knee. So is Cliff Hodge.
No, please. Parehong sa tuhod nakahawak si Nox. Bap sa hita. Basta, oh my goodness.
And this is a scary side para sa parehong teams and for everyone in the PBA.
Parehong sa tuhod nakakapit ka. Parang sa hoping sa binti. Kaya na yung kanyang atake. He's gonna be able to finish.
It was a knee-to-knee collision.
Yun. Okay.
Left knee to left knee.
Masakit po talaga yan. Pero well, ako, I'm hoping ano na lang yung pagka ganyan, bugbog eh. Di ba? Wala namang twisting motion or anything.
Yun na lang, no?
Pero masakit yan. Yellow ka agad yan. Kailangan yeyeluhan ka agad. Pero masakit yan. Pero yun na nga, hindi namang, di ba? Pag umikot ang tuhod, yun ang, yan oh. Yun ang mahirap eh, pag umikot ang tuhod. Hindi naman.
Yeah, yun na lang yun yung we're hoping for. I mean,
pero yung impact kasi niyan dyan eh, di ba? Kasi patakbo. Talagang full speed din yung Adrian Nokum. Tapos doon kumbaga sa mga auto eh, 100 ang takbo eh, 120 ang takbo eh. Then boom, just imagine that impact.
Alam mo naman, pag umaatake rin na itong si Nokum, he goes in full speed.
Force, tama.
But hopefully nga, yung sudden impact lang, yung pagkabugbog lang sa umpisa.
Kaya nga eh.
But hopefully nothing more.
Yeah.
That's a good sign that nakatayo na si Nokum and he refuses to be helped. So he's able to walk on his own feet. Si Hodge, we're concerned also with Cliff Hodge. So Nokum nakatayo pero iika-ika. It was clearly in a lot of pain. Si Cliff Hodge is still struggling. Now si Cliff, we know he's had his share of injuries throughout his career.
Yes. Ice bag na kagad dapat yan. Ang problema dito, the receiving end ditong si Hodge. Boom! Yun yun. Kaliwa ni parehong kaliwang mga tuhod. Itong si Nokum at saka si Clifford Hodge.
Ito medyo concerning talaga to na Hodge is not able to put any weight on that left knee. And again, we're sending our well wishes and prayers to Cliff Hodge and Adrian Nokum na sana it's not as bad as it looks. We're gonna get a report later on. Ano nga bang...
Here comes the ice. Sorry, chat.
Yeah, that's right.
Sa bilis nitong yung impact, I'm hoping hindi, pero dyan nangyayari medyo na hyperextend ng konti. Bilis.
Sportsmanlike foul on Cliff Hodge.
Okay.
So they whistle a sportsmanlike foul on Hodge. And Coach Luigi Trillo,
He doesn't understand.
very upset. Your thoughts on this?
Well, he's going to try to stand in the path of Adrian Nokum, di ba? Magpapacharge, sinasabi nila parang naglabas ng paa, di ba? That left leg. Pero ang contention nga naman ni Coach Luigi Trillo is magpapadraw ka ng charge. Di ba? Trying to stand in the path of of yung umaattacking player. Pero makikita natin parang yung paa, parang nilabas sa shot eh. Parang late na eh. Late na yung pagka...